Hi guys, welcome to the Paradigms Decoder in another session in our Python Basics series. The transfer statements we are discussing in today's session. Flow control statements in Python generally consist of the if else, which we have discussed previously. Another type is the while loop and for loop, which also we have discussed in the previous lecture. And these are the break, continue, and pass. We say the transfer statements. Okay, next statement, we are discussing again the continue statement. So we have given here the again one list. See, you can see here we have given the bag is equal to list, and inside that list, when we will run the for loop, the item in bag, we will jump into the for loop body. If item is greater than 30, then print cannot process comma item, then continue, and after that we have given it print inside this for loop. Okay, so let's see what will happen. We have given statement condition greater than 30, so we get here out of this all list 10 20 30 50, 10 20 30. You can see here cannot process 40, cannot process 50, because continue statement we have given, so this is keeping this 40 and 50, and we have mentioned here cannot process these items. Okay, so in this way continuous statement can be used. Let's see now again another example with the continuous statements. Again we have given here a small list. It's pretty bigger than previous actually. 10 20 0 250 500 120 and 140, and for n in numbers here we can see the if n is equal to 0, then print skip this number. We cannot perform the zero division. Continue statements is given here. Then we have given here the our string format, dot format we have used here for the string in the print statement. I hope this dot format you have seen in your previous lecture in when we have discussed the starting basics lecture in Python series. Also all the string formats we have studied, so you can go there and study this. I will also give some small explanation here also. So numbers is equal to 10 20 0 to 50, and all these list we are having for n in numbers, so with this will iterate through these all numbers. If n is equal to 0 semicolon, then print skip this number. We cannot perform zero division. This is the so string statement we have mentioned. Then continue statement, at this continue statement what will happen if this condition fulfills, at this continue statement it will skip that number where the n is equal to 0, means here only 1 0 we have given, so this will skip, and for all other numbers this will print this statement. Let's see what will be the output. So you can see here 100 division by 10, this 100 division by this parenthesis curly brackets is equal to curly brackets. Okay, and these two curly brackets with the dot format we have given here, n means these numbers, and 100 divided by n, so these 100 divided by this again same number. Okay, so here 100 divided by 10 is equal to 10.0. Simply it is giving us the division. Okay, so in this way here also 100 divided by 20, simply we got here the division. And as soon as the continuous statement comes for the satisfying condition, when n is equal to 0, so what happen, 100 divided by 0 will be skip this number. We cannot perform zero division. Okay, So this is output for this number, and 100 to 50 is 4.4, then 100 by 500 is 0.2, 100 by 120, 100 by 140 are the respective divisions we got here. I hope you're understanding. Let's do the changes into output here so you will get some better idea. See, here I will mention some spaces so you will get good readability here. Okay, let's run this cell in this way. Okay, I hope you are understanding well now. See this here continuous statement applied, the means the continuous statement here the condition is fulfilled, so we got here we cannot perform zero division. Suppose 0 is also here after the 140, we will mention 0. Look here, we have added 0 here at the last. Now we will run the program. So we got the 2 times this statement of the continuous statement. Skip this number, we cannot perform zero division. Again here skip this statement number, we cannot perform zero division. So in this way, in the transfer statements, continue statement is working. Now we will discuss the pass statements. What are the pass statements? What are the pass statement in our programming? Syntactically, if a block is required which will not do anything, then we can define that empty block with pass keyword. Okay, again I repeat, in our programming syntactically block is required which will not do anything, means the function will not do anything there. We can define that empty block with pass keyword. Okay, so just this pass keyword, understood? And this is an empty statement. 1 is nil statement. 2, it will not do anything. These are the properties of the pass. So just this is the theory I have written. Let's jump into the example. So this will not throw error. See, if you will not give here pass, see, run this successfully. Let's keep this as it is. I will copy this. See what is the pass doing exactly. I will put here pass. It's a very simple concept, but why I'm just explaining this, so the every person should understand which don't know the Python programming at all. So see here, when we give at the else condition pass, we did not got the odd numbers here, and suppose we put here pass, then we will not get the even numbers. See, now only we got the odd numbers. Okay, in this way pass function is working. I hope now you are clearly understood how this pass is working. Then del and none are the two very important methods we will discuss here. What is the difference between del and none? In case del means delete, the variable will be removed. Okay, and we cannot access that variable. But in case of none, variable is not removed. What is the meaning of this removed and not removed? I will explain you. Wait a moment, I have put some examples here. See, here one example. Here the m is the variable we have created, which is the assigned to the string name. I have put string as my name Parag paragems. We can see put the paragems del m print m. See here that we have given name error, name m here not defined. Let's print this. See why this error came, name error, name here not defined. Can you tell me? See here, the name m is not defined. Name error. This is the error from the Python inbuilt, Python itself. Okay, why? See, here del m we have used. First we create the variable, but here delete the variable, and we got here the error name m. As we mentioned, as I have mentioned the theory, that when we use the del function, it remove the variable. So this variable is not existing now. If we will use here none function, then the scenario is different. Suppose rgems s equal to none, then see what we got, none, but the variable is there, it is not removed. Are you understanding? It will be present with the null as it is there. Okay, here some theory. Non assignment, the variable will not be removed, but the corresponding object is eligible for garbage collection. Hence, after assigning with the none value, we can access that variable. Okay, this is the transfer statements we have discussed, and also the some del and none functions we have discussed in addition in this transfer function. Transfer function are the pass, break, continue. None and del are the used methods for the many programming tasks whenever they required as per requirement. So try to repeat if you are not understanding in one go. Try to repeat this session, and these are the very simple sessions, but these are very important programming tasks, or we can say that these are the very important programming basics required in the Python programming. And so keep practicing, keep watching. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.